Wood is renewable living material. It deserves all the respect and precision, from the forest to the final product. That's why machine builders play such a key role, turning nature's material into tomorrow's solutions. Just like every tree in the forest is unique, so are your demand as a machine builder. My name is Olli-Petteri Karjalainen. I'm Global Application Manager for Woodworking. At ABB, we work together with OEMs to make woodworking machines more productive, precise, reliable, energy efficient, and safe. Productivity and precision, using every part of this valuable material efficiently without waste. Reliability, machines that perform day after day, built on ABB's proven motion technology. Energy efficiency, more output with less energy. Safety, there's no compromises, protecting both your people and investment. From heavy sawmill lines to advanced finishing machines, ABB drives and automation platforms deliver reliable performance, efficiency and safety from the start. With ABB, OEMs can scale motion systems, from compact drives for smaller equipment to robust ACS880 drives and AC500 control for complete, coordinated performance. Backed by our global expertise and regional OEM hubs, we help you turn engineering ideas into machines that truly outrun expectations. Sustainable woodworking starts with open-minded, smart engineering. Together with our customers, we drive innovations, from the roots of nature to the top of modern manufacturing.